Right, this video details a little bit what I'm going to do with the rear handbrake calipers. The ones that came with the AK kit were cable operated, and they sort of produced a few problems for me as I'm using a dry sump system for the engine, and the engine is forward a long way, and that meant that deep down in there's not enough room to put a bar across for the actual handbrake. So I've been investigating possibly using an electric caliper version. So that I've now done, and I've ordered up the parts. So hopefully they should be with me soon. Right, well, the caliper's arrived. It looks promising is all I can say. Quite a bit of machine work to do on it. I've got to... where are we? I've got to cut down there, remove that whole section there, level off that raised portion there, web, and then make some new holes there and there, and I reckon it will go on with an adapter plate. Well, I've got nothing to lose. I mean, when you look at this, for 95 quid or whatever it was I paid, obviously with mass-produced items, but it's incredibly cheap, I think, for what it is, because not only have you got a hydraulic cylinder there, you've got the electrical cylinder there as well, which winds out that part there. It's quite a nice casting, as you'd expect from Audi, I suppose. Right, this is just a little experiment that may or may not work. I really want to fit electric calipers to the rear of my GT40. So I've managed to locate some Audi A8 ones, which have the right distance there, because I've got quite a wide disc on the back. But obviously it's not a straightforward job, it's not going to fit straight away. So my initial plan looking at it is to remove everything in blue, and to remove this web, and then I should be able to put a flat plate across there, which then bolts onto the upright. We shall see. So the first job is to machine off all the parts in blue, which I will now do. Right, so hopefully this makes it a bit more obvious what I've got to do. I'll try and do this holding the camera and this. So that's got to go into there. Where are we? There we go. You can see it's flush there. And that then, if you look down on top, means that the disc itself goes into the slot. So it's just getting how far in I can put it, because as you can see I have a big gap there. So that's what we're intending to do. Right, that's the electric caliper now suitably machined down so it misses the inside rim of the wheel. It looks like it's going to be quite a nice fit, don't see any problems there at all. What I do have to do is make up a bracket to replace the cardboard one I've got in there. And that should be straightforward. Yeah, nice and neat. Obviously you've got to design and build the electronics to control it, but that should be quite an interesting exercise. So I just have to repeat that now on the other caliper, which I have there, so I've just got to do the machine work on that one. So that will be the end of the mechanical fixing of the calipers, so as I say, just the electronics to sort out.